Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one, that is about identity. So we can put into s squared plus 3 to the power of 2. Now, on numerator we have s squared and number 3. We can put in here. So this one divided by this one, we will have about 1 over s squared plus 3, and we have the second one, that's about s over s squared plus 3 to the power of 2. Now I will concentrate about this one first. So we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to the square root of number 3 tan t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have 3 tan t square, number 3, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Now we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt. So this one we put in here. Dx we change by this one. So this one we have 3 tan t square. Number 3, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square. This is about trigonometric identity. Now we need to simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So we have the square root of number 3 over 3. The integration of this one, we have the square root of number 3 over 3. Tan, we put about t because the integration of dt, you got about t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And we have about t equals to r tan of s over the square root of number 3. So I will put this one to change for t. Now let's go to this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to 2s dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. S dx we change by the u over number 2. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Now we combine the answer. So the first one, that is about this one. Remember, if they have the sign This is about negative. This is about positive. So the side we keep about negative. And we put about C in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.